Goldilocks and the Three Bears Questions and Answer Part 2. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا منى ريان وأنت بتتفرج على قناة فكرة. ده الجزء الثاني المتعلق بالأسئلة على القصة. لو أنت ما اتفرجتش على الجزء الأول موجود تحت في صندوق الوصف أسفل الفيديو. لو أول مرة تتابعنا يا ريت لايك والاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل زر الجرس ليصلك كل جديد. الفيديو ده يفضل ان انت تتفرج عليه مرتين. المره الاول ان انت تجاوب اورال شفوي على الاسئله كلها، والمره الثانيه ان انت تكتب نوتس وملاحظات بالورقه والقلم. يلا بينا. Put a circle about the right answer. This story is about elephants, bears, monkeys. This story is about bears. Good job. How many bears in the story? 1 bear, 2 bears, 3 bears. How many bears in the story? 1, 2, or 3? Good job. 3 bears. This story is about a girl, a boy, a woman. This story is about a girl. Good job, girl. Multiply the missing letters. Daddy. Y. Good job. Mommy. M. Good job. Baby. Baby. B. Good job. Goldilocks. K. Good job. Family. L. Good job. Garden. D. Good job. The missing letter is D. H. I'm sorry. Begin number 3. It's hot. Begin number 1. I'm hungry. Begin number 2. They are all happy. Begin number 2. It's cold. Begin number 1. Goldilocks is in the garden. Goldilocks is in the garden. Begin number 3. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Number 2. They are all happy. They are all happy. This is Mommy Bear. This is Mommy Bear. Goldilocks is in the garden. Goldilocks is in the garden. It's hot. Goldilocks is sorry. These pictures. Number 1 is Mommy Bear is making food. Number 2 is Goldilocks is eating food. Number 3 is Goldilocks is sorry. Number 4 is they are all happy. Look and write true or false. This is Goldilocks. False. The baby bear is happy. Yes, true. The bears and Goldilocks are all happy. True. He likes this. True. It's hot. True. This is Daddy Bear. No, false. Third. Number 1 is sorry. Number 2 is eat. Number 3 is look. Number 4 is yummy. The opposite of hot is cold. The opposite of sad is happy. Complete this sentence. She liked this. Yummy. They are all happy. Goldilocks is sorry. Look, somebody ate all my food. About these pictures. This is Goldilocks. This is Goldilocks. Number 2, they are family. They are family. This is Mommy Bear. Number 4, it's hot. It's hot. Rearrange these actions. Number 1 is the mommy bear is making food. Number 2 is Goldilocks eat the bear's food. Number 3, Goldilocks is sorry. Number 4, they are all happy. Answer. Who this? This is Goldilocks. Number 2, what is this? This is Daddy Bear. Number 3, what is this? This is Mommy Bear. Yeah, good job. Number 4, what is this? This is Baby Bear. Number 4, is Goldilocks sorry? Yes, she is. She is sorry. Number 6, is Baby Bear thirsty? No, he isn't. He isn't thirsty. He is hungry. Is he hungry? No, he isn't hungry. He is sorry. Is it cold? Yes, it's cold. The ice cream is cold. Is Daddy Bear happy? Yes, he's happy. كده نكون انتهينا من فقرة الأسئلة. لو الفيديو عجبك لايك وسبسكرايب للقناة وتفعيل زر الجرس ليصلك كل جديد. كانت معكم منار ريان. هنسيبكم مع تطبيق مع الطالب رجب. القصة القادمة The Water Pump. What's your name?
I am Ragab.
How old are you?
7 years old.
I am 7 years old. How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
And which degree you are? You are in primary?
1.
You are in primary 1. Good job. This story is about what is
Goldilocks and 3 bears.
and the 3 bears. This story is about elephants or bears or monkeys.
Bears.
This story is about bears. In the story, there is 1 girl, 2 girls, 3 girls.
1 girl.
1 girl. In the story, 1 bear, 2 bears, 3 bears.
1 bear. 3 bears.
3 bears. Good job. This story is talking about a girl, a boy, or a woman. This story is talking about a girl or a boy or a woman.
Girl.
A girl. Good job. This story is talking about a girl. What's her name?
Name Goldilocks.
Her name is Goldilocks. Good job. Who's the main character of this story? The main character is
Daddy Bear.
and
Mommy Bear.
and
Baby Bear.
bravo. Good job. Daddy Bear, Mommy Bear, Baby Bear, and
Goldilocks.
Goldilocks. Good job. Goldilocks is pretty. Goldilocks is pretty. Goldilocks is pretty. She's beautiful. She's pretty. She is pretty. Okay. Read this story. This is the sentence.
This is Goldilocks.
Good job. Huh? Number 2.
This is Mommy Bear. This is Daddy Bear. This is Baby Bear.
Good job. Read this sentence.
It's hot.
It's hot.
It's hot.
Like tea. The tea is hot. The tea is
Hot.
hot.
It's cold.
Like ice cream. Like ice
cream.
It's hot. When you eat something delicious.
hungry.
Now it's yummy.
Yummy.
It's yummy. She likes this yummy. Okay, Goldilocks is the baby bear is
Yummy.
the baby bear is
Hungry.
hungry. The baby bear is
Hungry.
hungry. He wants to eat. Wow.
Look. Look, somebody ate from my food.
Daddy bear said, "Look, somebody ate from my food." Good job. And the mommy bear said,
Look, somebody ate from my food.
Two.
Two.
Look, somebody ate from my food too. Number 3.
Look, somebody ate from my food.
Oh.
My food.
Oh, my food. Huh? Mommy bear
Mommy bear, Daddy bear, Baby bear
are not
sad.
are not happy. Are not
happy.
They are sad. They are not happy. They are sad. They are not
Happy.
Goldilocks is
Goldilocks is sorry.
Goldilocks is sorry. When you made a mistake, you have to say sorry. When you make a mistake, you have to say
Sorry.
sorry. Now they are all
All hungry.
They are all hungry or happy?
all happy.
Now they are all happy. Goldilocks is sorry. Now they are all happy. Okay, rearrange these pictures. Which one is number 1 and 2 and 3? Number 1, baby bear is happy. Goldilocks is eating food. Goldilocks is sorry. Number 4. Now they are all happy. Now they are all
Happy!
happy.